To je to. Sve ostalo je isto. Ali mislim da se također sedište kod ovog modela malo povedilo, ali opet samo u onoj punoj varijanti, šove su ostale tu gde jesu. Praktično mislim da je Forza, odnosno mislim da je ADV 350 za ovu godinu ostao isti, eventualno doći će u obzir same crna i bela koju smo već videli kod nas u salonima. Nisam siguran šta se dešava sa onom vodom. Trenutno ovdje je isti, ali to ne znači. You don't mind if we go together?
No problem.
I will not get into it.
If you know how to open the monitor, it would be a good idea.
I'm not sure because when they are open, when the monitor is working, the seat is locked.
Yes, I know. You have to press here and turn. But no open.
No.
Maybe no power, I don't know.
Dead, battery
Yes.
kaput. But everything is the same like the previous year, right?
Yes.
Everything is the same.
Just the stickers and
Stickers
some...
and probably one extra color, more
Yes.
or less.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it good? What do you think?
Yes, it's good.
It's good.
It's good, yes, I like it. I like XADV more.
The white blue.
The white
it's amazing, right?
Transalt style.
Yeah.
I like it, yes.
I think it's better than yellow. Oops.
Yes, better than yellow. This year, I like it more.
To je to. Honda ADV 350 ostaje ista. Evo čovjek smo i koleginicu sa jednom kanala. Da li je to radno koji drugi na kako da se reći? Njegovih korisnika to ostavljam vama. Na sud, ali u svakom slučaju i u ovom izdanju ovakva kakva jeste izgleda prelepo. Dame i gospodo, ADV.
One moment. Help me here. Do you know how to open? I try, but...
Amigo,
we found
You
it.
found it! Yeah!
you're German?
No, Serbia.
Serbia.
Serbian scooter channel.
Serbia.
Hey, ciao. Srećo. Brother, where are you from, guys? Greece. Polikala, jasan. Orthodox brother, partizan, huh?
Crazy.
A little bit. Ligo.
Citron, eh?
Pleskavica.
Pljeskavica ćevapi, a?
Pleskavica.
Polioreo, a?
Dobro.
Dobro. I will let you work, guys.
Yes. I was waiting for you. We were trying here. I asked this guy, do you know how to open? He says he doesn't know either. So, you are 190. This year, I'm showing to everyone the new menus
Yes.
of Honda. You know?
I have one Honda.
What kind?
Rally 300. I love it.
Nice choice, eh?
Yes. New.
I'm gonna put it to quick, you know, to slow motion. You know. I do it quick and then I put in slow-mo, so not to lose time, you know. I think after today I'm the best for the menus in Honda. Okay. You are 190.
Tell them.
He is 190 centimeters tall, 6.2 feet. I didn't hear. You fit. This is how he fits. And the big body. If you are big body, 190 centimeters. Honda, no, it's 6.2 feet. Then this is. Bravo. È duro, like this. Touring in the higher position.
I love the cage here.
Yes.
Protection. And the Honda original.
Okay, you want thumbnail and I'm ready.
We got the thumbnail.
Daqui eu vou